Welcome to the sale of Gordon's Triumph T321. This is a 350, first registered on the 14th of the 7th, 1966. It's an absolute cracker. Please take a look around it. Just take a good look around it. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's a real nice, original sort of bike. It's done 17,600 miles since 1966. The speedometer has been serviced, etc., so it's currently reading 6 miles. Now Gordon's not held back on anything to do with this. It's got new tyres. It's got a completely rebuilt engine in it that doesn't leak oil. Everything works as it should. All nicely chromed exhausts. The tyres are all very good. The brakes are in fantastic condition. It is a real gem. Now this is a great opportunity to buy a proper English bike. Take a good look around it. If you would like to ask any further questions, then please don't hesitate in contacting either Gordon or myself. But I can assure you this is just a wonderful bit of kit.
In the wall, get the nothing joker.
As you can see, all the paperwork is in place, full logbook, no advisories MOT. This is an absolute gem. If you'd like to come and have a look at it, then again, please contact us. We'll do our very best to help you. Thanks very much for looking.